Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So I have a new product to show to you today from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's part of his DRX Blemish Solutions line, which is a range of products that are sort of anti-acne focused. So the product is called the Breakout Clearing Gel. That's the name right there. Comes in this little tube here. So it's jam-packed with lots of good ingredients. As with any high-quality product, all the ingredients are in there for a reason. Key ingredients in this product are salicylic acid at 2%, niacinamide, monk's pepper, aloe vera, and green tea. So all of these ingredients provide a whole range of benefits that help to prevent and treat existing blemishes. So it's preventative and a treatment product. So in terms of what it does is it helps to break down debris in your pores that can cause breakouts. It reduces or refines pore size, controls oil production, reduces redness, so it helps sort of soothes and calms the skin down, and also helps to treat post-acne marks. So as the name implies, it is a gel. I'll put some on my hand so you can see what it looks like. That's it right there. Has sort of a medicinal smell, which is to be expected, I guess. It's got an interesting smell. I can't really pinpoint what exactly it smells like, but it's super lightweight, disappears into the skin right away. And in terms of when you would use it, so this would be used after washing your face and before applying serum and moisturizer. Once a day is probably going to be good. You can use it on your entire face if you like, or you can use it more as like a spot or an area treatment, I guess, if you're having a breakout on the forehead, for example, or the chin. And it's gonna help to clear it up and help to reduce breakouts. So if you're struggling with some acne issues, this could be a definite product to add to your arsenal. The DRX Blemish Solutions Breakout Clearing Gel from Dr. Dennis Gross. Check it out, shopmask.com. And of course, if you're in Vancouver, you can come see it in the store. Thanks for listening.